Hi, this is Noah from Exchange. I have a old Pushmatic control panel, electrical control panel I got from a friend. He bought a small apartment, but I think it's missing the main breaker. I'm not sure. This is a 50 amp double pull breaker. So I'm gonna take this apart and scrap it. So here's the first part, not worth very much. 1 second, it's a mess in here. So this is what it looks like. I was hoping it had copper bus bars, but it doesn't. These are known to be fire hazards now because it has aluminum bus bars and they corrode. And look at this. This is old school wiring. It's like silver, not so aluminum clad copper. So yeah, so we're gonna take this apart. It's interesting that they would have wood inside a control panel, or because that is kind of dangerous, right? So it's combustible. So I'm gonna take out the enclosure. I loosened these already. I'll probably sell these breakers on Craigslist or eBay. I might take a couple apart for a video and show you what's inside of it. So here, oh, it's pretty heavy. It's too bad it's not copper, a copper bus bar. Yeah, look at that. They look like they have some water damage over the years, or they left it outside. So, okay, so let's take this part. Might be brass or copper. We'll just start taking it apart. You guys are welcome to leave comments. If I say something wrong or whatever, let me know. Or so if you have one of these, usually they make you replace it when you buy something new, because they're not that safe. So yeah, it looks like silver, but it looks like aluminum or silver coated copper, old school. I think they call it cord and knot. Yeah, so my friend has to replace all the copper wiring in his condo because it's not to code. Plus, he doesn't want any fires. So this is like an electrician's dream when you see one of these. You're gonna make some money. So okay. So I'll do a file test on these, and I'll do it later. I just think this is steel. Maybe I can do a, yeah, we'll have to figure it out later. Well, the set screws are steel. So you got the main part out for all the neutrals or whatever you want to call it, or grounds. So okay. Yeah, I saw this stuff on eBay. Some of these sell for like $120, the whole box, whatever. And some of them are copper and some of them are not. I'm gonna remove, I think this is how you remove. I haven't taken apart one of these, and I didn't see any videos on a Pushmatic scrapping. So sometimes most of these have aluminum bus bars, and I was hoping this was copper. So look at that, it's not behaving. So, but we'll keep on taking them off, screw by screw. I'm used to the General Electric or Honeywell style. So yeah. So we'll just keep on taking these off, and hopefully it will let us remove them. So yeah, so like my videos and everything, we've been working hard, trying to get to at least 500. I'm at like 110 plus. So yeah, I got a screw in there. I know this is not the most exciting one, but once we get to the bus bars, we'll be good. I think prices for aluminum and copper and steel are all going to go up. And I think Trump just said they're going to put tariffs on copper now. So it's either going to go up short term or long term, or there'll be go up short term and then go down because demand will go down if the economy goes down. So I've seen that happen before, kind of in the paper and plastic water bottles. China stopped buying them, India stopped buying them. So hopefully that doesn't happen. It's like the opposite of what you would think should happen. Let's see if we can turn this upside down and see what happens. And I'll check all the screws if they're brass. Okay. Yeah. Look at, here's one bus bar. Ooh, I think it's copper because I see the threading is copper. Yeah, it's copper. So that's a win. Let's take out the other one. Yep, there's one screw left. I'm surprised that this is how the bus bars work. It's much easier on the newer style. Another copper piece. I'll have to check what this is later. Yeah. So all these contactors probably have silver in them. So I wish I had the bigger one. Maybe this is a 50 amp box, but I don't think so because I see a bunch of 30 amperes in here. And if you need any of these, just breakers, let me know before I either scrap them or, you know, or start selling them on eBay, whatever it is. Probably not eBay or Feebay. So yeah, there's another bus bar. So they coated the bus bars with probably tin or aluminum, or I don't know what they did. But you can leave a comment and let me know. So yeah, let's take these durable pliers. I'll probably pinch myself because I can't throw them away for some reason, and see where we're at. Yeah, I mean, on the other side, they already did it to get to the wires because these are like small 15 amperes. So whoever did that didn't know how to work on these like me. So I think these are from like the 50s or 60s or something like that, 70s. They do not like these anymore. The government or whatever, the safety people. So yeah, okay, let's try this guy. This is a, be patient, hopefully we can find everything. Another piece of chipboard or whatever they call it. Maybe some tin, maybe some brass, who knows. It is what it is. But it's fun that there is copper in here. And hopefully, because it's an old school, you know, not breaker box, fuse box that has bigger silver contacts, because that is that's a plus, you know. That is very interesting. So I might have to do another video because, and part 2, because I am not sure how to get these suckers out. I should have watched somebody else's video. These are just holding the wires. I think there's a wire right here. It's a nice piece of copper wiring. I don't know why it's so thick. Well, it's because it's 50 amps. Yep. It gets tight over here because it's a double. It's a 2 fuses in one spot. Back in the day, they had that. Yeah, I think this is from like a 70s apartment. So I think this is the problem right here. Nope, doesn't go like that. I thought that would slide in. Yep. There you go. Let's see what this, maybe this is a release right here. This spring. Yeah, that's it. And it fell completely apart. It must be doing something wrong. Let's take a look at what this is. Yeah, well, there's a contact inside there too. I think this is a copper, perhaps. And look at this contact to see what it is, and it's pretty nice. It's a piece of plastic or whatever they had back in the day. Pretty brittle, and it's brittle because it's, you know, it's old. It's probably one of the initial problems. This was on the largest breaker. So yeah, let's get this one out. For the most part, that's what we're gonna do on this video. Is, well, we'll get this out later. Maybe we can pull these out without doing them all. Let's see. So we'll do that one again. I can't imagine I'm doing it correctly because it opened up like that, right? Like, because I see them for sale, and they are, they're not that way. So anyhow, yeah, so we're gonna end this video right now, and then I'm gonna come back and figure out the easy way of doing this, because this is not correct. Maybe we can do one more, and I can't even see. Yeah, it's coming loose, but obviously that's not the correct way. But oh, I heard a good crack. Yeah, I broke it, I think. So here's your Pushmatic. It's kind of like a yeah, in or out. When it breaks, it goes out. It's kind of like a contactor, but always stays on, hopefully, unless you do something or short or something. So actually, it kind of feels like this would be dangerous if you got electrical spark. I'd probably push this in with an insulated screwdriver, but I'm a coward. Ooh, look at that, something to spring out. Okay, well, thank you. That's the video. I'll do a second one once I figure this out. Thank you. Bye.